Hey guys, today we're going to be taking a look at Divoom's flagship pixel art speaker, the Tivoo Max. Like I said, the Tivoo Max is the flagship pixel art speaker from Divoom, and it comes with a 2.1 channel speaker and subwoofer. You can use it to create pixel art utilizing the app and have it display on the screen, or you can utilize the community's artwork. It also doubles as a smart alarm, and you can have it display event notifications. So just going around the box before we unbox it. And then over here, it is a 40-watt DSP tuned audio and bass port design, 2.1 layout with independent subwoofer, 256 mobile app programmable full RGB LED, 38 built-in sleep and smart alarm profiles, daily functions, and evolving mobile application. Once we're done with the unboxing, I'm going to go through all the things that you can do with the Tivoo Max. So let's get right into the unboxing. It's got a nice shiny finish. It is going to show fingerprints quite easily. Over here we have the grill for the speakers on both sides, including the back. Here we have the subwoofer. That looks super nice. And then if we peel this off, we have the auxiliary port, the micro USB charging port, a micro SD card slot, and the power button. And then we could just close this up again. Flipping over to the bottom, we have the chrome feet with the rubber tips to prevent surface scratches. And let's see what else is in the box. We have some postcards, pixel art stickers, documentation, we got a 3.5mm cable here if you want to plug it directly into your phone, the micro USB cable to charge and power it. Next, let's power it on and see it in action. So before we get into the app, let's see what we can do locally on the device. On the top here, we have our volume buttons and our skip track buttons. So if you want to raise the volume, all you would need to do is tap that, and you can see the volume raising. If you had a track going on, you can just hold the button down and it would skip the track. Same thing with the minus button. You could go to the previous track, or you can reduce the volume here by just tapping. Holding down the play button will put it into voice memo mode. And then you'll begin recording. Tap again. And then you'll begin recording. Pressing the clock up here, you can have it set an auto off timer, or if you just hold down the clock, you can set an alarm. Flipping over to the side, using the knob, you can scroll through all the different channels available. And just below that, we have the input switch. Holding this down, if you had Bluetooth connected, if you hold it down, it'll disconnect it. If you just press this, it will swap between the available inputs. So Bluetooth, your auxiliary cable, or your micro SD card. So I actually have an SD card in here. I'm gonna flip over to that input. It's got some MP3s in there. And then we'll be able to also hear the quality that's coming out of the speaker. I'm just gonna raise the volume. And then we'll just pause it. From the audio playback, you can hear that it's loud and delivers clear audio and bass. And when I ran it through Bluetooth, I had absolutely no issues with playback. So that's going to be it for the local features that you could use using the different menu options and knobs. Now let's flip over to the app and let's take a look at what else we can do. Now that we're in the app, let's add the pixel art speaker by going over to the top right hand side and clicking the plus sign. Now that it's added, let's head down to the discovery page located on the bottom left hand corner. On this page, we have the various options that we can use with the speaker. But first, let's get into designing our first pixel art and pixel art animation. Once you're done creating your masterpiece, you're going to get 3 different save options: local, device, and cloud. And by saving it to the cloud, you'll be sharing it out with the rest of the pixel art community. Creating an animation is really simple. Just start with your initial pixel art creation, and then just go and copy each frame and make the slight modifications, and then hit save. With Editor, you can create custom scroll messages on your display. Pixel coloring is essentially pixel by number, and we have 2 different modes here. We have task mode, which allows you to get points for every completed image you do. And then we have custom mode, which allows you to select any image you want to do pixel by number. With the mixer, you could be your own professional DJ and mix your own beats. Since the Discovery tab has so many options, let's take a quick visual tour and head over to the channel page. And if you have any questions, just drop them down below and I'll be sure to answer them. On the channel tab, you could select the particular channel you want to display in rotation. First, we have the clock channel that you can select your preferred clock face, as well as the favorite color that you want to associate to that clock face. Looking below, we do have the ability to add some additional options to scroll through, like weather and temperature. On the lighting channel, set your preferred color from the color wheel, or use the predefined options. The cloud channel gives you the option to play some of the best pixel art available by creators on the platform. The VJFX gives you a variety of visual effects to play. The visualizer channel is pretty cool. As pixel art's being displayed, it will adapt to the tempo of the music being played through the app. And lastly, we have the custom channel, which you can select your favorite art to display in the order that you want. Going through all the features on the Tivoo Max, I can safely recommend this to anyone looking for a fun accent piece for their home. With the vast options of pixel art in the community gallery, you can always keep your rooms looking fresh. It also makes a great gift option. This particular model is on the pricier side, but Divoom does have some budget-friendly options like Timebox Evu and the Tivoo. both of which have the same features as the Tivoo Max. Now I'll be dropping all the links in the description down below, so be sure to check them out. And this is where I'm going to end the video off today, so be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.